Hello, it's Thursday, which means it's spelling test day. So we passed you a sheet that looks like this. It is week 2 in spelling. I know we've been doing spelling longer than that, but for Reading Horizons lesson, we're doing the second week. So you can write week 2 right there. You write your name, and the day is 10/14. Fall break starts tomorrow, and so, it's actually the 15th today, 10/15. So spring break or fall break starts tomorrow, so we don't have to come Monday and Tuesday, and we also don't have any spelling next week because it's a short week. So yay! Okay, so we don't have any words with prefixes or suffixes yet, so you can just cross out the middle column on the front part of your page. We're actually going to have the front part that we have some things to write, and then we're going to turn over and do the back. So don't quit listening to the video till you've done it all. Okay, so we're going to start with number 1 on our skill words. After we're done with all the words before you turn it in, you can make corrections on your sheet in this column. So you don't have to use that column, but if you want to make corrections, you can make them in that column. Okay, so your first word that you're going to write right here is grin. Does a baby know how to grin? Grin. And do your markings as well. Besides writing it, write your markings. Number 2 is slip. It is easy to slip on the ice. Slip. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video. You can also back it up if you need to. So your first word was grin and your second word was slip. Make sure you're marking the words. Number 3 is clasp. The clasp on my bracelet broke. Clasp. Number 4 is props. We need to make the props for our play. Props. Number 5 is glasses. I wear glasses at home. Glasses. Number 6, stop. I will stop by your house on my way to school. Stop. Number 7 is frizz. My hair does not have a lot of frizz today. Frizz. Number 8 is puff. My favorite cereal has corn puffs in it. Puffs. Number 9 is split. Let's split the last piece of pizza. Split. And number 10 is scab. I have a scab on my knee from when I fell down. Scab. So this would be a good place to stop your video and look and make sure you have all your markings. If you need to make any corrections, you can write them there and make corrections. But before you go on the back side, this would be a good place to do all of that stuff. Okay, so go ahead and hit pause if you need to do that. But then remember to push play because there's stuff to do on the back. Okay, so now we are going to do the back of your sheet. Okay, so you want to wait and time all the way done on this before you turn your paper in or you go get the list to check it. And so the first thing that you might want to do is just write your name and put the week that we're on. So we're on week 2. Write your name. We're going to do our heart words, and you can put the hearts on the part that need it, but then you'll make the corrections for it, okay? Number 1 for your most common words is have. I have the best students. Have. Number 2 is to. We went to school today. To. Number 3 is give. I will give my very best. Give. Number 4 is live. I live on Main Street, live. And number 5 is do. Please do your best on this test, do. So you should have wrote the words right here, but go ahead and pause the video, look at them, make sure you have your hearts in the right places, and make any corrections that you need to make. And when you're ready for the sentences, push play again. Okay, your first sentence is, Stan did not drop the glass. Stan did not drop the glass. Listen closely. Stan did not drop the glass. And if you look on the score sheet right here, we check for capitals and periods, so don't forget those. Remember, you can back up if you need to. You can hit pause. Sentence number 2 right here is, we have 6 swim passes. We have 6 swim passes. Listen closely. We have 6 swim passes. Okay, if you want to hit pause the video before the bonus questions, you can check your sentences, make sure you have everything you need there. Okay, your next word is, or the bonuses. Just do the bonuses right down here where you can fit them, right down there. Okay, your first bonus is dwisk. I had to whisk the eggs very quickly. Whisk. Your next bonus is bless. I had to bless my hair in the morning. Bless. Remember to pause and make sure your marks are correct. Then the next word is foxes. There was several foxes outside my house. Foxes. Okay, and your last bonus word is tosses. She tosses the salad in the bowl. Tosses. Okay, make sure your sheet looks exactly the way you want. Make sure you get that checklist from Ms. Hackney and you check your spelling test. And then when you're done with all of that, you can turn it in. Good luck.